Okay. And very beautiful is Jean. Beautiful hosting. Beautiful. Beautiful to hosting. Jean, how are you? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Ihi na ron.
Saan lugar mo? Dito, Pilipinas. Ako, konti-konti lang Pilipinas. Konti lang, alam ko, konti lang.
Ambot sa imo.
Where are you, the Philippines daw?
Philippines from
Where are you, the
Davao.
Philippines?
I'm visiting Davao. I'm visiting Davao here. With my friend all this Philippines, this Davao. Here, first president to you, Tatay Digong. Oh, Tatay Digong is Tatay Digong.